Yeah, yeah, a movement. That is it, I mean, you can even go live. Like I said, my two devices so I can see. But again, for all those who are in the chat, welcome to my YouTube channel. And you can also like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can again, you can double tap the screen to link up the live also. This is free. Doesn't cost you anything. So hello, welcome back to my channel. And again, today's I'm basically fixing up my wires. As you can see, it's a big mess. So I'm trying to staple my wires before I have final the final inspection, which is going to be a wall. But basically, I believe this duct here is a return. So the code rule is I should either have separation of insulation. Also, I need to have my wire stapled. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As if you look up top, you'll see all those wires here. It's